What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another Banshee video, and just a little update. We got it running, and we cleaned up the pipes. They look brand new, so those look pretty awesome. Cleaned the carbs, cleaned the air box, new lines. Actually, like some coolant or something, but got those all situated. So probably gonna do a little riding video today. It'll be my first ride, but start it up. Alright, so what I'm going to do before I ride is I'm going to do the trans fluid. I'm going to change that, and then it should be good to go. I'll lube up the chain as well. So what you're going to need is a 17mm socket, brake cleaner and rags. I'm just using a paper towel, and then some 10W40 motor oil, and let's get right to it. Alright, first you want to just remove your dipstick. It's right here. And then set that on a rag for now. Then you're going to want to get under it, and there's a drain bolt. You just pull that, let it drain, and fill it up, and you should be good. Alright, so when you're under the machine, you got this bolt here. This is going to be your drain bolt for your trans fluid. So let me refocus here. So take your socket, your 17mm, just get it on here and loosen this. I'm gonna do this off camera so it's a little bit easier. Alright, so once you break it loose, you're just gonna want to unscrew it. Obviously, if you're wearing gloves, it's gonna be a lot easier to keep your hands clean, but I'm just gonna try the old trick to not get it everywhere. So. Alright, it's pretty good. And you're just going to let this drain, and we'll clean up this drain bolt, put it back in. Actually, it doesn't look like this is a crush washer, so you want to make sure you have a crush washer on there. So now you just want to take some degreaser or brake clean and just clean up this part here. Then you can take your bolt and put that back in. And then you're just going to want to tighten that down nice and tight. If you have a torque wrench, I believe you can torque it to around 14 foot-pounds, but I don't have a torque wrench, so I just made sure it was tight. Alright, then you're gonna want to come back up here by the fill and just get some 10W40 motor oil. I'm going with Valvoline, and it takes just over a quart, I believe, but I'm just gonna take my time. So I got the oil change done, lubed up the chain, and I took it for a quick ride. It seems like it's idling a little bit high and it's still bogging, so I'm gonna try to see what I can do, and then we'll go send her in the field.